How you doing?
Morning. Sorry to disturb your peace.
You okay?
What was that, garbage? Dirt bags. Oh, big turtle.
Huh?
Big turtle.
Yeah, see them all running up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're all running. Sounds like you got something good.
Yeah, I got a mullet.
There's some good sized mullets in here.
Oh yeah, it's a tarpon in here right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he's probably 70 pounds.
Holy cow.
He's down in that cut down there.
Oh yeah?
Got a hole. Yeah, he just came up right there and engulfed the mullet. Boom.
The carp, you had to eat the mullet, yeah?
Yeah, he just came through a few seconds ago and ate a mullet right there.
Oh wow.
Big boy, you're a big one.
We've been in here where we saw manatee,
Oh,
dolphins, and shark all at the same time.
yeah, it's three manatee that stay together in here, and the one cow, yeah, and one bull with it. And that bull probably 18, 20 foot long, probably 18 foot long.
Wow.
Yeah, he's a big bull.
Yeah, we're gonna go around the other side and see. Maybe we'll see him.
Yeah, you might see him because they'll come right in here and go back up in there and then go down in that one pool down there. I think they stay in that one pool down there.
Yeah, we see him almost every time we come out here. Good luck.
Oh, good one. Be safe.
He said there's a bull and a calf in here and they just had a little baby.
I thought he was dumping ice in that cooler, so it was the fish flopping around, huh?
Yeah, I was like, man, you got something good in there. He's like, yeah, big mullet. I thought it was a crab or something. There's some pretty good sized mullets in here.
Well, they call it mullet cold.
I guess so. Oh, that was a big mullet. I wonder if those big crabs are still on the legs of that bridge over there. That bridge looked different. See the guardrails? It says overhead bridge construction. They redid the footings on here, you notice that? Wow, they redid this whole bridge. And here's that shrine for somebody. Joshua J. Bailey.
No crabs.
They cemented all the way up the legs. All that coral. The current right there where it's narrowed down is fast. That's why I went behind here. There's a boat coming.
Oh, a deer.
You got a picture? Oh, I see him. He's swimming. You didn't get a picture of him? Wow, that's a first. How you doing? That was pretty neat.
I was also hoping really hard that no alligator jumped out to eat him. I don't want to see that.
You want to get in the water over here? Put our feet in the water? That's where the rope swing usually is. That?
I made a circle and went back in the water.
Yeah, I see claws and stuff. I think that was an alligator. Yeah. Yep.
Alright, now the deer fly's gonna bite me.
That's an alligator claw right there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's kind of fresh, huh? The rope swing's not here anymore either. Huh. Yeah, definitely alligator.
It's crazy seeing the deer cross the water.
I know, I've never seen a deer swimming in person. Current's a little stronger now. I always wanted to pull over into that other, like there's a couple other pools over in there. Current's flowing pretty good. Thing's been here a while, huh? There's like a brush over there.
Maybe someone lives on it, but goes in land to work every day?
Maybe. I smelled like lacquer and I see there's like a brush. Yeah, someone's got solar lights and everything. But I see a padlock, so they must not be in there right now. Huh. It is registered. Mama's leaving me again. You big fine time to leave me, Mama. Comes that helicopter sucker again. Don't come in here, don't disturb the fish. Huh, got a helicopter over there again. We can follow the shore. Those things are pretty cool. I don't think I took the fishing reel out. It must be here, stuck behind the seat or something. Crabs are waving at us again. Oh, look at those conch shells, baby ones. See all the baby ones? There's nothing in there. Something caught it and ate it.
Maybe it's faded.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice little one. I have to keep that.
Feels like we're in an alligator's house.
Probably.
Don't want it to be mad at us.
Yeah, you're probably right about that. Another conch shell. Conch. Pieces of crab. You want me to go up ahead a little? Jeez, I just don't like it being so high. Like an alligator's like right eye level.
Yeah, that's why I don't like coming in here.
Oh man.
I don't like it.
No, me either. You know why? There's a cave right there. Could be alligator territory for sure. Yeah, I guess we'll turn around. Mommy don't like it.
No.
Remember how to get out? Yeah, maybe higher tide. I just don't like if there's an alligator on land, it's like head level.
Oh, you're done. You don't like it.
Well, he'd be eating a paddle, but yeah.
It was too narrow in there. It's not worth it. For what? Closer? Someone can train? Gotta be jumping here. Something.
I know, he's bobbing his butt up and down.
Hi, Mickey Turtle.
All getting ready to sun. Look at him. I guess I'll have to go in now. Sorry, turtle, it's our cove. Look at that trail.
Yeah.
There's that helicopter again. Starting to feel like Ray Liotta. I guess the alligators, dolphins, and manatees wanted to hide from us today.
Very early, I think.
Yeah, very, very early. That guy's still fishing over there.
No way.
Oh.
Thank God.
Went to start it, and I had a feeling the battery's getting weak. Good thing I keep these in there. A lifesaver. Guess you need a new battery in the baby car. Well, that was a fun 2 days, huh, Mama?
Yeah.
Got one of them new 300 coming, boys. Got a new battery from Wally World. I'll put that in. Trickle charging overnight, so she's nice and full. Let's get her done. Negative terminal first. All right, boys. Oh, check this out. It's got a quick disconnect. Not so sure how I feel about that, but there's no corrosion. That's good. Just gotta take all these connectors off. Looks like a main fuse. That one's got to come off. The nut for that strap off. So now this will come off. It's crazy what you got to do to change a battery nowadays. I see some are like buried where you can't even get to them. You got to take headlights and stuff out. So I guess I shouldn't complain. Look like the same battery. Clean these up a bit. What is this for? New one gives you the screw holes too. Just to stabilize it. And clean this up a bit with my brass brush. Oh, they're expandable. They go in them holes. Except now I can't use this handle to drop that in there. Maybe I'll put this on later. Get that back over there. Tighten them down, put the ground on. Hopefully alarm don't go off. Put the cover back. Clean up our tools and see if it starts. Ever since I bought this, or we bought this, kind of cranked slow, it always seemed. So let's see if this fixed it. Sound a little faster. Some people hate these little Renegades, but I kind of like it. It's nice and small, zips around. Got that little 2.4 multi-air engine in here, and decent on gas, not super great like you think it would be, like 25, 26 miles per gallon. I think it's a cool, fun little car. So there.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.